Hello, this is Mr. Nelson. This is video 16.1, area of a triangle. I've been told my videos are too long, so I will not have any fun on this video. So, to figure out the area formula, the equation, we're going to refer to our star chart right here. Here's a triangle, and our formula is A, which is area, equals 1/2 times the base of the triangle times the height. So we got this triangle right here. One side is 6 centimeters, one's 5 centimeters, one is 8 centimeters. Question is, what is the area? So what we're going to do, we're going to use a formula called FSA. We're going to start with the formula. Alright, our formula is area equals 1/2 times base times height. Now, to determine the base and the height, you're looking for this right here. It's got to be a perpendicular. The height is perpendicular to the base. So this 90-degree box right here is going to touch the height and the base. Okay? So our next step is S. We're going to substitute in. So our area is equal to 1/2. And our base here, because it's with this 90-degree angle, is 5 centimeters. So I'm going to put 5 centimeters. And our height is 6 centimeters. Okay, now we're going to solve. Okay, so I'm going to do this operation first. Alright, 5 centimeters times 6 centimeters is 30. And because you're multiplying centimeters times centimeters, it's going to be 30 centimeters squared. Times, and I have to bring down that 1/2. Alright, and 1/2 of 30 centimeters is equal to 15 centimeters squared. And that is the surface area of that triangle. And that's our A, FSA. That's our answer. Alright, now it's your turn. Try question 1. Okay, now we're going to work on example 2 here. Once again, we're going to write down our formula for our triangle. Alright, and our formula is area equals 1/2 times base times height. You have to write down the formula every time, even if you know what it is. Just get in the habit. Alright, now we're going to substitute and solve. So our area equals 1/2. Now in this case, here's our 90-degree angle. One of the things that you can do is just highlight your height and base. So take a highlighter. That's my height, and this whole thing is my base. Okay? And so our base is 7 meters, so we include our units. And our height is 5 meters. Now we're going to solve. So we're going to start with that. 7 meters times 5 meters is 35 meters squared. Bring down the 1/2. Okay, now we just got to find 1/2 of 35. So what we can do off to the side here is we can show a little work. Say I got 35, and I want to divide it in half. So we have one left over, so we had our decimal and our 0. Drop that 0 down right here, and 2 goes into 10 5 times. Alright, so that means that this equals 17.5 meters squared. That's our answer. Alright, so remember FSA, this is our answer right here. Our area equals 17.5 meters squared. Okay. Here's question 2. Pause the video now. Try it out on your own. Alright, here is example number 3. Okay, now here's our right angle. So I'm going to highlight the two sides. And sometimes it helps to turn your paper so you can tell now that's the base and that's the height. So our base is 8 and our height is 9. Okay, so we'll turn it back over here like this. So we say our formula is area equals 1/2 base times height. We're going to substitute and solve now. So our area is equal to 1/2. And we said our base was 8 kilometers and our height is 9 kilometers. Okay, now we're going to solve. So we're going to do this first. 8 kilometers times 9 kilometers is 72 kilometers squared. We'll bring that 1/2 down. So 1/2 of 72 kilometers squared. So I'm going to come over here. Divide by 2. Alright, so now we got our answer. 36 kilometers squared. That's our area. There we go. And here is example number, or question number 3. Pause the video, answer it. Okay, here is example number 4. Start with our formula. Alright, area equals 1/2 base times height. We're going to substitute and solve. Our area equals 1/2 times. Okay, now here's our 90-degree box. I'm going to turn it around over here. That's my base right here, and here's my height right here. I'm going to highlight that. So remember, looking for that 90-degree box. Base. Height. It's our base and our height. So our base is 10, our height is 4. So 10 feet times 4 feet. Alright, we're going to solve. 10 feet times 4 feet is 40 feet squared. Bring down that 1/2. Alright, 1/2 of 40 feet squared is 20 feet squared. So area equals 20 feet squared. That would be our answer. Box our answers. Okay. Here is Google Doc question number 4. Calculate the area. Okay. Here is example number 5. Okay, with a triangle like this, pretend like you've got a little guy up here. And to find the height, he's just dropping a rock from right here. So we're just kind of measuring how far that rock falls down. So that's kind of a way to kind of help you picture. So we're going to start with our formula. Formula is 1/2 base times height. Oops, I forgot area equals. That's fine. Let's put that in there. Area equals. Sorry about that. Alright, now we're going to substitute and solve. Area equals 1/2. And grab my trusty highlighter here. Okay, so my height is how far that rock fell. Okay, now here's the trick. My base is only from here to here. It's just what the part of the triangle is. Okay? So, my base is only 12. Okay, 12 centimeters. And my height is 10 centimeters. There we go. Alright, So now I'm going to substitute in. I did that, and I'm going to solve. All right, 12 centimeters times 10 centimeters is 120 centimeters squared. So I have 1/2 times 120 centimeters squared. Okay, so half of 120 is 60. So I'm going to write 60 centimeters squared. So my area is equal to 60 centimeters squared. That is my answer. Okay, and here is the Google Doc question. Number 5.